Hi guys, how are you all? Good afternoon. Today, now, in continuation with our previous discussions, we will analyze the character of one more important figure in Mahabharata. His name was King Yudhishthira. According to Mahabharata, there were four major characters who could be called perfect in their character, behavior, and morality. They were Lord Balarama, Lord Krishna, Prince Vidura, and King Yudhishthira. Now, while Mr. Lord Balarama and Lord Krishna were gods, Prince Vidura was considered to be an incarnation of Dharmaraja, the king of death and character. At the same time, King Yudhishthira was supposed to be an incarnation of a son of the Dharmaraja, the god of death, the king of death and character. Now, because he was a son of the king of character, Lord Dharmaraja, hence Yudhishthira was supposed to be a person of spotless character. It was said that he was so perfect that even if he said a lie, his chariot, which never touched the ground, suddenly descended to the ground because of the weight of that lie. Yudhishthira was officially Kunti's second son and Pandu's first son. King Yudhishthira was younger than Karna but elder than Bhima, Arjuna, Nakula, and Sahadeva. King Yudhishthira was very good in wielding the lance. He was a very good lance fighter, a man who could not be approached because of his excellent, exemplary character. Yudhishthira was trusted even by King Dhritarashtra, by Dronacharya, who was Yudhishthira's and the Kurus and Pandavas' teacher. In fact, when Dronacharya learned from Yudhishthira that Ashwatthama was dead, he believed this lie and went into meditation, as a result of which he was killed by Dhritarashtra. Yudhishthira was so spotless that he had a golden complexion. Further, he was one of the very few who was loved and respected by the friends and the foes at the same time. If it not had been through Shakuni that he was defeated in that game of dice, Yudhishthira would have made a very great king in Indraprastha and ruled for a very long time. After the Kurukshetra war, Yudhishthira became the king of both Indraprastha and Hastinapura. Dhritarashtra loved Yudhishthira so much that he lived in Yudhishthira's kingdom even after the Kurukshetra war, but then when he was repeatedly insulted by Bhima, Yudhishthira, Dhritarashtra, Vidura, Gandhari, Kunti and the like had to forcibly leave Hastinapur in spite of the pleadings of Yudhishthira. Please listen to this analysis of the character of Yudhishthira and find out what you think of it. Kindly make your own comments and opinions and join it with them so that the complete combination will be of beneficial to us all. Thank you.